Let's face it, AI is expanding harder than any technology has ever grown. Today we're exploring the intersection of AI and the paranormal. We're investigating the potential of AI to shed light on paranormal activity and help us understand the mysteries of the unknown. Stay watching until the end to know how AI could possibly open the portal to the paranormal world. The idea of using AI to investigate the paranormal might seem a little strange at first, but it's not as far-fetched as you may think. In recent years, advances in AI and machine learning have allowed us to analyze vast amounts of data and make connections that were once impossible, so why not apply this technology to the field of paranormal investigation? Before we dive any more into the topic, let's take a moment to define what we mean by the paranormal. The paranormal refers to any phenomenon that's outside of our normal understanding of the world, and it can't be explained by science or reason. So this includes things like ghosts, spirits, and other supernatural entities. The field of paranormal investigation is often criticized for a lack of scientific evidence, but AI can help change that. By using AI algorithms to analyze vast amount of data, we can potentially find patterns and connections that may shed light on paranormal activity. One way that AI can help with paranormal investigation is by analyzing audio and video data. Many paranormal investigators use audio and video equipment to capture evidence of paranormal activity. With AI, we can analyze this data in a much more efficient and accurate way, looking for patterns and anomalies that might indicate paranormal activity. Another way AI can help is by analyzing text-based data. For example, many people claim to have had paranormal experiences and have shared their stories online. With AI, we can analyze these stories and look for common themes, patterns, and experiences that might provide valuable insights into the paranormal. But the potential of AI to shed light on paranormal activity doesn't stop there. AI can also be used to help create virtual simulation to paranormal activity. By simulating different scenarios, we can potentially understand more about the nature of paranormal activity and how it works. Part 1. How exactly does AI help with paranormal investigation? So, how exactly does AI help with paranormal investigation? Well, AI algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns and anomalies in data. They can also be trained to identify specific types of paranormal activity, such as ghostly apparitions, voices, or other strange noises. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can help us understand more about paranormal activity and hopefully provide us with concrete evidence that can help us better understand this mysterious phenomenon. However, it's important to note that while AI can certainly help us understand paranormal activity better, it's not a magic solution. There's still much we don't understand about the paranormal, and AI is only one tool that can help us make progress in our understanding. So, what are the potential consequences of using AI to investigate the paranormal? Well, one concern is that AI algorithms could be trained or biased or have inaccurate data. This could lead to incorrect conclusions and misunderstandings about the nature of paranormal activity. Another concern is that AI algorithms can be used to create false or misleading evidence of paranormal activity. With AI, it's possible to manipulate audio and video data to create fake paranormal experiences. This could undermine the credibility of paranormal research and lead to public confusion and skepticism. Now finally, there's the issue of privacy. Some people might be uncomfortable with the idea of AI analyzing their personal experiences and stories related to paranormal activity. It's important to ensure that privacy laws and regulations are in place to protect individuals and prevent misuse of personal information. Part 2. The potential of AI and paranormal research. The potential of AI in paranormal research is vast and exciting. With its ability to analyze and process vast amounts of data, AI can help paranormal investigators to more accurately identify and categorize paranormal activity. For example, AI algorithms can analyze audio recording and identify sounds that are not human, potentially uncovering evidence of paranormal activity. In addition to identifying and categorizing paranormal activity, AI can also help paranormal investigators to more effectively analyze and interpret their findings. By using machine learning algorithms, AI can identify patterns and relationships within the data, leading to new insights and discoveries about the paranormal. One of the most exciting potential uses of AI in paranormal research is in the development of autonomous paranormal investigation systems. These systems would be able to independently gather and analyze data from various sources, such as audio recordings, thermal images, and electromagnetic field readings. This would allow paranormal investigators to cover a larger area in less time, increasing the chances of capturing evidence of paranormal activity. Part 3. The limitations of AI and paranormal research. While the potential of AI and paranormal research is vast, it's important to remember that AI is still a relatively new and developing technology. There are several limitations that need to be considered when using AI and paranormal research, such as the reliability of the data and the accuracy of the algorithms. One of the biggest limitations of AI and paranormal research is the fact that it's only as good as the data is trained on. This means that if the data used to train an AI algorithm is unreliable or biased, the results will be unreliable and biased as well. This is particularly important in paranormal research, where data is often subjective and difficult to quantify. Another limitation of AI and paranormal research is the fact that it's not yet advanced enough to fully understand and interpret the paranormal. While AI can help identify and categorize paranormal activity, it's not yet able to provide a complete understanding of the underlying causes or mechanisms behind these phenomena. Part 4. Future developments in AI and paranormal research. Despite its limitations, AI is a rapidly advancing technology with immense potential in the field of paranormal research. In the future, we can expect to see further developments in AI algorithms and the machine learning that will allow us to more effectively analyze and understand paranormal activity. One area of development that holds great promise for AI and paranormal research is the integration of AI and virtual reality. By using virtual reality simulations, paranormal investigators could potentially create virtual environments that replicate paranormal activity, allowing them to study and analyze these phenomena in a controlled environment. Another area of development is the use of AI and robotics in paranormal research. The integration of robotics with AI would allow paranormal investigators to remotely explore areas that are difficult or dangerous to access, potentially capturing evidence of paranormal activity that would have otherwise been impossible to obtain. In conclusion, AI holds great potential in the field of paranormal research. By analyzing vast amounts of data and helping us understand the mysteries of the paranormal, AI can help us to shed light on this mysterious and fascinating phenomenon. However, it's important to remember that AI is only one tool in our arsenal and should be used in conjunction with other methods and techniques to ensure accuracy and reliability in our investigations. We hope you found this episode informative and thought-provoking. Join us next time for another episode of AI Unveiled.